So today I had this company reach out to me, which very flattered, by the way. I'm just a little no-name fish in the sea of YouTube and TikTok that just doing what I love. But this is HX Outdoors. Um, they wanted me to take a gander at this and give my take on it, and I will put a link down in the comments, as well as they gave me my own code for 10% off. So if you're interested in this, um, you can get it for, I think it's $26 after the code. It's not a very expensive knife in any stretch of the imagination, but for a sub $30 knife, I mean, you can see the quality is there. Without any further ado, let's jump into this. Check it out. So, get the little business card. Every man deserves an exceptional knife. Yes, we do, men and women. Get nice plastic hard case. That you get a branded microfiber cloth. Pretty nice. And then, of course, the knife. Now, going off what I've been told, well, it says it right there. I don't know if I can get my camera to pick it up, but right in there it says it is a titanium alloy. Well, judging from this is a titanium alloy scale. No, it's titanium. Uh, it has a half liner. Really nice texturing. A little bit of an odd shape, but I mean, your hand kind of lands really nice. Got a flipper tab, which is nice. Let's see, D2 steel. So we're going to have a pretty decent steel. Again, this is a sub $30 knife. This is model TD15T. So that is, they call this the rock fluorite. So we're going to have 2.95 blade, D2 blade, and it's going to be a liner lock. Probably it's going to be a steel pocket clip. Looks kind of almost reminiscent of the pattern they use on a lot of Spydercos, like the Para 3, Para 2. So might do a little bit of fitment testing later, see if one of these spare Spyderco clips I have will fit it. But yeah, it looks like they've got a lanyard hole there. I gotta say that to be given the shape, your hand lands in some of the best possible places. I mean, like you can choke up with your finger under, go way out there, and for a really hard you know, need the leverage. The actions, stellar action. Let's see if I can get that pick up. That is dead center. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Let me go onto their website here. I know these guys. Oh yeah. You've got, this is one of their more budget-friendly versions. Um, this one normally retails for 29 USD, 10% off, so it's going to come in at like $26 and some change. So it's definitely a sub $30 knife. And of course, they've got even more budget-friendly blades. Sitting here seeing little slip joints for like 18 bucks before discount. And oh man. So I'm seeing a whole plethora of neat blades. They even have one called the Armored M, that's similar overall shape and aesthetic. It's less of a drop point, more of a Tonto, that's going to have S35 with complete titanium, and it's yeah, this one is actually a frame lock, the all titanium in S35, and it's only 79 bucks, folks. So use my discount on one of those. I mean, you're getting, you might as well say, 8 bucks off. So I mean, $70 for an S35 titanium bladed knife, and as long as the action is on par with this guy that they sent me, and that's crazy good deal. So you're getting a fairly decent powdered steel, and looks like on here they have a blue titanium handle, or a blacked out titanium handle, or more of a silver titanium. That is really cool. Really appreciate HX Outdoors. I'll be sure to put my link down in the comments, or in, yeah, I'll put the link in the comments, as well as in my description, as well as the product code to get that 10% off. But if you follow my link, it should automatically take it off at checkout, at least from my testing of their website with it. Be sure also, make sure you're subscribed, guys. I really want to give this a good go. I've been at it a year now, and I would like to continue doing this for the foreseeable future. Maybe sooner or later I might get into doing more live content, kind of upgrading some things here. But yeah, check them out down in the comment and the description. I'll put the necessary information down there. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.